on the camera, then Suresh will be able to give his closing statement. Please. So now I'm just requesting, and we just want a closing statement because we have 15 minutes in a row. Yeah. So now I just want to discuss that issue, because we discussed that issue. We did so much give and take on that particular Kasab's issue, and what will be the I just want to ask some questions to you, Mr. Sumit. What will be the impact of Pakistan? Now Pakistan will attack again. Pakistan will attack constantly on India like they attacked earlier, or it will it will reform their minds, because it will facilitate India to take some kind of decisions, and India wants justice. That's why they demanded earlier that they want the same action in the case of Afzal Guru which they did in the case of Ajmal Kasab. So I am asking you this question, that what do you think about it? What do you think about this issue which is happening here? And we are very gracious to hear, we are very glad to hear that they hanged Ajmal Kasab, and appreciate the Indian administration. First of all, I would like to appreciate and I would like to thank Mr. President, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, and our Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh, and all the government authorities that they hanged Ajmal Kasab on the first, they took a straightaway action first time. It's the first of its kind that, since the birth of the Republic, they hanged such kind of, because Ajmal Kasab is that person, Ajmal Kasab is that terrorist who, who waged a war against India. If somebody, and you give a lesson to all the terrorists that if somebody is waging war against India, he will get the same death penalty. He will be awarded, he will be getting awarded with the same death penalty which Kasab got earlier. So this is what exactly I just want to say. And now I want to come to Suet. What do you think about it? Pakistan. If you talk about Pakistan, they used to, they constantly attacking India. They have been attacking India since last 10 years, if I'm not wrong. So what do you think about it? I mean, what's your opinion regarding that particular issue which is going on right here, right now?
I think now the Pakistan can't do their attack in India, because it's a good slap the face of Pakistan by India, and now the Pakistan don't be there to attack in India.
So now I just want to ask another question, that now we have two, in 2001 Afzal Guru attacked in the cabinet. So it's in 2001 or 1993? 2001. He attacked. So I am asking you a very simple question, Mr. Sumit, that what do you think about it? I mean, will they be able to take the same decision on the case of Afzal Guru?
Because Ajmal Guru is also most criminal in India, so they can do this work. They take the death penalty to Ajmal Guru, and the second reason of it that the election is held in India, so they can now the death penalty of Ajmal Guru.
Now, a closing statement I just want to take, because we did too much give and take from that particular topic. So, the closing statement, are you happy with that particular courage of conviction of India, the Indian administration? Because we didn't hope earlier that India will take a serious step forward regarding this particular crucial issue, because I think that it's a lifelong habit of India that they used to lift up the terrorists all the way, but we have wrong mentality, and now they killed Ajmal Kasab. So this is just this is a joyful movement for us. Okay, and today they made a history on 7:30, and this is a gift for the Mumbaikars. After Bal Thakere's death, this is a gift of the Mumbaikars. On the special panel, we discussed that we should appreciate the journey guys, and 26/11 was the terror attack of 2008. Now it's 21st of November. After 6 days, the same day will come when Ajmal Kasab attacked Mumbai, and the Mumbai shaped. machine at that time. Yeah? So, she in Mumbai, it was the unfortunate behind us when they attacked Taj Hotel and the Nariman Point Hotel Marriott. Very good. I just want to tell you guys that, appreciating you guys and whatever they did. Now we want the same kind of behavior, in all the terror, in all the terrorists, we want the same course of action of the government, and we want the same code of behavior of the government. Okay, so just give us a full statement, and now we will over this particular. And I'm very glad, appreciating your journey, guys. Please clap, appreciating your journey. The start from me. Just give me the full statement.
I'm very happy. Kasab is dead, and the courage of conviction and I'm proud of India. I'm so happy, and the Kasab, the name of he died, and we will hope the India government that he can out the death penalty of Al-Jabdi. I'm very happy.
So we just want to ask the closing statement of Ms. Shivani. Yeah, Ms. Shivani, what do you think about the whole statement of the closing statement regarding that particular crucial topic which is going on right now? So I just want to close the statement of the all that what do you think about it? The last closing statement about all the entire, we discussed that issue in all the way. Okay, we did so much event regarding that particular crucial issue. So today tomorrow we will discuss some other news, and as well as this news also regarding Ajmal Kasab on CNN IBN. Yeah, Ross discussed that. So we discuss that issue, and it is very glad, and it's glad to hear that they hang Ajmal Kasab, the terrorist of the 26 level movement terrorist act. So this is something which makes us feel good. What do you think about this topic? What do you think about? Because they paid a tribute to the martyrs family and the martyrs, and it is the first time it's time that they behave like a patriotism. They behave like a patriot. So I just want to ask you about your closing statement regarding that particular topic and your perspective regarding that. We discussed this issue all the way. Okay, we are very happy. So first of all, we have to clap for the Indian government to hand Mr. Ajmal Kasab on the 7:30 today in the morning. Thank you very much.